You have a question. What do you do? For most of us, the answer has always been simple. Just Google it. Google has dominated the internet for over 2 decades, so much so it became a verb. It's how we find recipes, settle debates, and do our homework. For years, nothing came close to challenging its top spot. But now, something is changing. Artificial intelligence, AI, is quietly growing, getting smarter every day. Tools like ChatGPT aren't just search engines, they talk to you, understand your questions, and give direct answers. This new way of finding information is making people wonder, is Google's reign finally ending? For years, you typed keywords, got a list of links, and did the work yourself. AI promises to do the heavy lifting, reading, summarizing, and delivering the answer. It's a completely different, more powerful experience. So, in this video, we'll dive into why people are frustrated with Google, explore the new AI challengers, and compare them side by side. We'll see which is better for different tasks, and what this means for the future of the internet and our jobs. The world of search is at a crossroads. What happens next will affect all of us. This is the story of AI versus Google, and it's happening right now. Are we witnessing the end of Google's era, or is this just the beginning of a new chapter in how we find information? Let's find out. Welcome to the future of search. What makes AI search so different? It's all about conversation. Traditional search is like a library catalog. You get a list of shelves, but you do the digging. AI search is like having a personal assistant. You ask a full question, and it gives you a direct, personalized answer. No more keyword guessing, just ask what you need. You can follow up, compare options, and the AI remembers your context. It summarizes articles, explains complex topics, and even helps brainstorm ideas. Search becomes more natural, personal, and powerful. It's not just about finding information, it's about understanding it. This is the new frontier, making the internet easier for everyone. Google was once amazing, clean, fast, and accurate. But now, ads dominate the top of the page, pushing real results down. SEO spam clutters results with low-quality, keyword-stuffed sites. Finding honest information takes more time and effort than ever. You open multiple tabs, compare sources, and dodge sponsored content. Even quick facts can turn into a long, frustrating search. Results aren't always fresh. Sometimes you get outdated articles. People feel like they're working for the search engine, not the other way around. Trust is fading. Users want a cleaner, more efficient way to find answers. This frustration is opening the door for AI search engines. People are ready for something better, and AI is stepping in to fill that gap. Tired of the old way, users are turning to new AI-powered tools. ChatGPT from OpenAI is a conversational expert, great for explanations, writing, and coding help. Perplexity AI is built for real-time answers, searching the web and summarizing with clear citations. It's perfect for students and researchers who need trustworthy info. Claude from Anthropic handles huge documents, summarizing, finding details, and explaining tough material. It's designed to be helpful and honest. U.com blends traditional search with AI chat, letting you customize your sources. Andi presents results visually, focusing on direct answers. Each challenger solves the Google problem in its own way. Users now have more choice than ever. The search landscape is changing fast. Let's compare Google and an AI engine like Perplexity. Say you need to research. What were the main causes of the fall of the Roman Empire? On Google, you get a list of links. Wikipedia, history.com, academic sites. You click, read, and piece together the answer yourself. With Perplexity, you type the same question. Instantly, you get a concise summary. Economic problems, overexpansion, political instability, invasions. It lists sources so you can check the facts. The AI does the research and synthesis for you. For quick, accurate overviews, AI is faster and more efficient. You get the answer, not just the path to it. For students and busy professionals, that's a game changer. The way we search is evolving. AI tools are more than just search. They're digital Swiss Army knives. For students, AI is a tutor explaining math, practicing languages, brainstorming essays. For coders, it writes and debugs code, saving hours of work. Writers use AI to generate ideas, outlines, and even rewrite sentences for clarity. It's a creative partner, not a replacement. Even shopping is easier. Just tell the AI what you want, and it finds the best options. AI compares prices, summarizes reviews, and tailors results to your needs. From tutoring to coding to shopping, AI is an all-purpose assistant. It boosts productivity and creativity. The possibilities are expanding every day. AI is changing how we work, learn, and create. The future is here. AI is reshaping the job market. Enter AI search optimization, AISO, the next step after SEO. Now it's about making your info easy for AI to find and use in answers. Marketers must focus on clear, factual, well-structured data. The goal be the answer, not just on the list. New jobs are emerging, like prompt engineer who crafts the perfect questions for AI. AI content strategists plan how info should be structured for AI. Understanding AI tools is now a critical skill for many jobs. It's not just for techies. Marketers, writers, and customer service all need to adapt. The most successful will use AI to work smarter and faster. The future of work is collaboration with AI. What's next? Is Google going away? Probably not. Google is fighting back, adding its own AI, Gemini, into search. The future will be a mix: AI for quick answers, Google for deep dives, and specialized tools for creative tasks. Search will get more personal and proactive. Your AI might suggest things before you even ask. Information will come to you, not just the other way around. Competition is forcing everyone to innovate. We'll have smarter, more helpful tools. The way we find information is changing fast. The next few years will be exciting to watch. The search revolution is just beginning. We've seen Google's rise, its problems, and the new AI challengers. AI is changing how we search, work, and learn. The big question: will we trust AI for answers? How do we keep diverse viewpoints? The convenience is amazing, but exploring different sources still matters. We're at the start of a new era in information. Now I want to hear from you. Are you using AI tools for search? Do you prefer them over Google? What do you think the future of search will look like? Let me know in the comments.